right, up next is News 18 Shosha Reel Award for the Popular Choice Film Best Director. And to present the award, may I please welcome on stage Shabana Azmi ji.
Thank you, Shabana ji, for doing the honors. Can we have the nominations?
लक्ष्मण उटेकर छावा, आदित्य धर धुरंधर, मोहित सूरी सैयारा, अनुराग बासु मेट्रो इन दिनों, आदित्य सरपोटला धम्मा, सुपर्ण एस वर्मा हक.
All right, and the winner is Best Director.
At a time when the film industry had given up all hope and said कि बिना stars के तो film बन ही नहीं सकती, कोई देखने ही नहीं आएगा, और एक young director आए और उन्होंने साबित कर दिया कि ये सब myths हैं. दो नए कलाकार को लेकर, गैर मामूली म्यूजिक लेकर जिन्होंने ये फिल्म बनाई है, उसके सही हकदार तो इसके डायरेक्टर हैं मोहित सूरी.
Congratulations, मोहित.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Mohit Suri for Sayyara. Come on, we can do better than that. Where's the applause? Ladies and gentlemen,
Talia.
what a wonderful film he's made.
Mohit, you have to say a few words here.
How does it feel?
Actually, ma'am, 20 साल हो गए. I've been here for a while, even though the age, whatever it is. But मैं actually कभी कोई award नहीं जीता हूँ life में. As in school में भी नहीं. Actually third standard में शायद.
Best tie के लिए भी नहीं मिला.
नहीं ma'am. वो एक relay में take part किया था. And actually there also हम लोग सब, it was the first relay I ran in the third standard, and we were all running for the first time and we had no idea what we were doing. We were just having fun. So we went there and we won the race. And शायद ये film वैसे ही थी. We were all these kids, Ahan, Aneet, my producer, Akshay, Sumanna doing it for the first time, Rishabh, Rish, the music for the first time, Fahim. There were too many first times, and there's the writer, Sankalp. That's his first film. And we just went there like that relay. All I did is pass the baton on to the next person, and they ran that race. So this award is actually for all you first-timers. Thank you so much for getting me here.
क्या बात है यार. लेकिन हमने उदिता के बहुत से पोस्ट देखे, उन्होंने कहा you really wanted this film to work. जब फाइनली पता चल गया फिल्म सुपर हिट हो रही है, what was the feeling inside?
Honestly, after 20 years, the first feeling था कि इस बार बच गए.
And how? कैसे बच गए? So wonderful.
क्या बात है यार. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for Mohit. Big congratulations.
Thank you everyone.
And thank you for giving us such a wonderful film. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Shabana ji, बहुत शुक्रिया for doing the honors. Thank you so much. The next News 18 Shosha Reel Award is for the Star of the Year Female. And to present this award, I'd like to invite, and I'm not joking, Chunky Pandey and Surveen Chawla on stage. You should. You totally should.
Thank you. Thank you, M&M. You all are superb yaar. बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hi.
All right. And the winner is...
Oh my God. The one and only. You should...
Everybody's favorite. Aneet Padda.
Aneet Padda, ladies and gentlemen, the Star of the Year for the film Sayyara with a sublime performance.
everybody. Thank you so much, News 18, Shosha. I have been giving a lot of speeches recently, and today, the only thing that I wish to say is that I feel like a lot of people think and say that life is the biggest teacher of all, but if there is anything that comes to a close second, for me, it's been cinema. Because when I was younger and I hadn't lived enough life to understand the world, it was the thing that taught me pain, it was the thing that taught me empathy, it was the thing that taught me love, it was the thing that taught me life. It was the thing that gave me an insight into how big the world is outside. And for that, I couldn't be more grateful to it. So I just really hope that I can give back. I really hope that I can put the love back and pour it back. And lastly, I just really like to thank Momo. I love you so much. Ahan Pandey, there's nobody like you. The entire team of Sayara, there's nobody like you. You've changed my life. You've absolutely changed my life, and you're forever in my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations, Aneet. No doubt you had to win this one. Ladies and
Congratulations.
gentlemen, a round of applause once more for this lovely, lovely little girl who deserves all the awards of the year. Can I please request, Chunky and Surveen, please, since we have you here,
Yes,
we're
I
going to
read
enjoy
that.
the privilege of you staying here. The next News 18 Shosha Reel Award is for Star of the Year, Male.
And the award goes to... Who is that?
What a surprise.
8 साल लगे इस अवार्ड के लिए.
I hope you're not joking on this one now.
Not joking. The one and only Ahan Pandey.
Yeah!
So proud of you. So proud of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Star of the Year with his very first film, Ahan Pandey for Sayara. Big congratulations.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, when I first found out that I'd be getting this award, the first thing that came to my mind was, what could I possibly say that would be good enough for an honor like this? Because the title Star of the Year is a very, very big one. And as I stand here on this stage today, I'm very grateful to be here, but I can't help but feel that I share this honor with some beautiful people I've met in the past 7-8 months since our film released. And I share this with them. To this one man who came up to me with tears in his eyes and he said that he's going to be a better husband to his wife after watching our movie. And to this one elderly lady who had just had a divorce and she decided to give love another chance. And funnily enough, yesterday at the Bangalore airport, there was this ground staff that told me that her boyfriend proposed to her after watching Sayara. And I think if any of y'all through the cameras are watching this, y'all are the real stars of the year. I hope with every year I can live up to this title. And I hope I keep bettering myself and doing work that makes my parents, myself, and the people I love happy and proud. All love here, always. Thank you. Love you, Chachu. Love you, Mohit sir. Love you, Aneet.
A huge round of applause
Thank
and
you.
a wonderful send-off for Ahan Pandey.
Congratulations. Thank you, presenters, for doing the honors.
It's not every day that a debut becomes the Star of the Year award, and I think it's really special, Ahan. You deserve every bit of it. Thank you so much, Chachu and Surveen. Thank you.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.